What are the top 5 mistakes to avoid when replacing windows? Number 1 would probably be choosing the wrong product. By that, I mean choosing the wrong material. Homeowners will make the mistake of thinking that what the window is made out of, there's a good, better, best, and thinking vinyl, composite, fiberglass, and wood goes in terms of good, better, and best, but that's not always the case. Sometimes the vinyl or the fiberglass window is the better or best for that specific application. It's better to think about what brands are good, better, best. One clear example of that is in a shower. Does it seem like a good idea to put a wood window in a shower? No. You want to choose the right application, the right product for the application. Another mistake to avoid is focusing only on price. Sometimes a more expensive window is going to be only minimally more expensive when you consider the long-term value of that window, the long-term performance of that window, and when you consider the energy efficiency gains that you're going to get from that window. Number 3, improper measurements. This can be a big mistake to make. It's really hard for us when a homeowner tries to do a DIY project and it doesn't go well. And a lot of times this comes down to improper measurements. Bellwether has factory-trained window measurement technicians who are going to take the exact measurements. There's a process that we do called the Pella on-site verification, which is where we come out and we're getting precise, tight measurements for the windows that are going to go in the openings of your walls. And we're going to end up with the best, tightest installation that's going to improve the insulation energy efficiency of your home. As I mentioned, DIY tends to result in a lot of heartache and tears and really just draining your pocketbook. So another important thing to consider, another big mistake homeowners make is skipping professional installation. Unqualified installers can void the warranty on the windows. They might install the windows in such a way that directs water into the home instead of out. You can end up with rot issues in the framing around the openings, just things you don't want to have to deal with. Better to avoid that headache, avoid those incredible costs that come with restoration after those kind of costly mistakes, and hire a professional installer. Number 5, neglecting energy efficiency. This is a mistake that homeowners make sometimes. You're really trying to save on some costs, so you neglect to really think about or consider the level of efficiency that you need on the windows when it comes to the type of coating that you're putting on that glass. This is also affected by the frame, the type of frame that you choose, the composition of it, whether it is a naturally insulated product like a wood window or a product like a vinyl window that is filled with insulation. Neglecting to think about the energy efficiency of the windows can be a mistake, not just a mistake, but a costly mistake down the road. But whether we like to say measure twice, cut once, what that tends to mean is do it right the first time so you don't have to pay to do it twice.